Hey guys, Debbie here. Well, it is pouring as you could hear out there. Here we go again. It just slowed down. It was literally pouring before I went to grab my phone. Yeah, and my babies are over there playing with my husband. Oh yes. Ooh, I just saw a lining. And wait for it. You hear it? You hear it? And here we go. That's a long one. You hear that? That's a long one. That's how far that is. Oh my goodness. Look at the sidewalk over there. It's flooded. Oh, by the pole. See it? Okay, why would that car come? Watch when that car comes. It's getting flooded in there. Oh, I just saw another lining. Let me get... I don't like linings. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, there it is. There it's going. That's a long... Anyways, I just wanted you guys to see. And I don't know when this is supposed to go, babe?
All day. Till tomorrow.
All the way until tomorrow, midnight, or tomorrow morning, like
Late evening tomorrow.
late evening tomorrow. So I'll keep you posted, and I don't know, hopefully I won't drown. God bless everybody. Bye bye. Devin say goodbye.